Hi everyone, and welcome to another Mighty Ginkgo tutorial. My name is Zero, and I'll be your instructor for these lessons. So, after months, years of waiting, I finally got around to getting the Ebody tutorial out. This is actually a pretty interesting story with this body and me. One of our viewers, she's like, "Hey Zero, can you do a tutorial on the Ebody?" And I'm like, sure, I guess, but I would love to. I just don't have the body." She's like, "No problem." So she teleports me to the store. She's like, "Here, pick one up. It's free." Oh, thanks. Oh, but now that I have the body, I don't have the dev kit, so I can't really do it. She's like, "Oh yeah, no problem. Here, they just give it to you." It was like, "Oh, all right. Well, I'll look into it." And then it was like 2 years later. And she's like, "Hey, Zero." Well, no, wait. Before that happened, she even tossed some money my way for uploads. And I was like, okay, I'm totally going to look into this. I downloaded the dev kit and it sat on my desktop forever. And then she's like, "Hey, Zero." And, hang on, let me find something heavy. She's like, "What happened to that tutorial you were going to make?" Putting the bet against her hand. Well, and I'm like, "I have to see if I have the body." And I'm checking the inventory, and I'm like, "Oh, there it is." And I gotta check my computer real quick and see if I got the dev kit. And I look at it, and it's like, "Oh, shoot, I do have all that. All right, I'll get on it. And then I didn't get on it at all. And, the reminder was back in February. Whew! So, and it's like March now. So I was supposed to do this like forever ago, and I'm doing it now. So yeah, thank you. I'm sorry for keeping you guys waiting. We even got the creator to come in and help me learn how to rig to this body because I had a little issue, and we'll address that later. But yeah, we're gonna start diving in here and getting all the stuff you need so that you can create clothes for this body. Now, don't mind the clipping. That's the shirt and the pants right there. I actually did a different shirt and it doesn't work with these pants. So it's clipping into it. But when you make clothes in your tutorial, through this tutorial, your stuff will fit and it won't be clipping through the body like this, so you don't have to worry about it. As for our materials, as always, we are going to be using ancient technology because that's the technology I can give away for free without getting sued too hard. I'm going to be using Blender 2.72, copy of Avastar 171, maybe sparkles. I'm not sure. Nah, we don't really need sparkles, but if you got it, it's always good to have. And I feel like there's something else. So a Marvelous Designer 2 from our clothes making, and of course the dev kit for the Ebody. So I'm going to go and load up my Blender, and I'll see you guys there. But first, you guys need to learn how to download the stuff, and I'm pretty sure everything I have is going to be on the side for installation videos. So once you download all the materials that I use in this class, for God's sake, download the materials that I'm using in this class and a dang thing. Otherwise, it may not work as well. So after that, I guess I'll see you in the next video, where we'll start prepping our body and then making clothes for it, then rigging it, and then importing it in world at the lowest price possible. So yeah. Oh yeah, we got to do texturing. So we're going to use Photoshop too. There's going to be a Photoshop in there. So yeah, description, downloads, do it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.